Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to do the new article that is mole mass conversion. Question is that how we will change the mole into mass and mass into mole. For this purpose we will use the formulas like first formula, that is number of moles is equal to mass in gram divided by molar mass, and we will alter this formula like that. If we have to find out the mass in gram and number of moles are given, then what we will do? So we will alter this formula by using the cross multiplication. So mass in gram is equal to number of moles into molar mass. In both cases, keep in mind one thing: molar mass we should have to calculate it by ourselves. It would not be given in the question. So when you are able to remember these two formula, then you are able to solve the statement here questions. Now we will do the example 1.5 by using these formulas. So the example 1.5 is that calculate the mass. Example is oxygen is converted to ozone. So chemical formula of oxygen is O2 and chemical formula of ozone is O3. Oxygen is converted to ozone, and during thunderstorms calculate the mass of ozone. So mass of ozone we will find out. We will write on the chemical formula: O2 change into O3, oxygen is changed into O3, mass of ozone is unknown, we will find out, and number of moles of ozone is given 9.05 moles. So earlier I have told you molar mass will be calculated by ourselves. So molar mass of ozone is equal to O3, 16 multiplied by 3, atomic mass number is equal to 48 gram per mole. Unit of molar mass is gram per mole. Unit of molar mass is gram per mole. Now mass in gram we have to find out. So which formula we can use it? In the first formula we have the number of moles are unknown when mass in gram is given. Now in the second formula we will apply where mass in gram is unknown and number of moles are given. So then in the same question, in this question, mass in gram is unknown and number of moles are given. So what we will do, we will use this formula: mass of ozone is equal to number of moles into molar mass. So we will use we will put the values 9.05 moles into 48 gram per mole. So mole will be cut with the mole, and we have to multiply it with 9.05 into 48. So it would be 434 gram. So in this way we are able to find out the mass of the ozone, and we will convert the mass into mole and mole into mass.